हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
गलग्रहण निश्चेष्टो दैत्यो निर्गतलोचनः अव्यक्तरावो न्यपतत् सह बालो न्यसुव्रजे तमन्तरिक्षात् पतितं शिलायां विशीर्ण सर्वावयं कराळं पुरं यथा रुद्रशरेण विद्धम् स्त्रियो रुदत्यो ददृशुः समेताः प्रादाय मात्रे प्रतिहत्य विस्मिताः कृष्णं च तस्योरसि लम्बमानम् तं स्वस्तिमन्तं पुरुषार्धनीतं विहाय सा मृत्युमुखात् प्रमुक्तम् गोप्यश्च गोपाः किल नन्दमुख्या लब्ध्वा पुनः प्रापुरतीव मोदम् अहो बतात्यद्भुतमेष रक्षसा बालो निवृत्तिं गमितोऽभ्यगात् पुनः हिंस्त्रः स्वपापेन विहिंसितः खलः साधुः समत्वेन भयाद् विमुच्यते किं नस्तपश्चीर्णम् अधोक्षजार्चनम् पूर्तेस्तदत्तमुत भूतसौहृदम् यः सम्परेतः पुनरेव बालको दिष्ट्या स्वबन्धून् प्रणयन् उपस्थितः दृष्ट्वाद्भुतानि बहुशो नन्दगोपो बृहद्वने वसुदेव वचो भूयो मानयामास विस्मितः एकदार्भकमादाय स्वाङ्मारोप्य भामिनी प्रस्तुतं पाययामास स्तनं स्नेहपरिप्लुता प्रीतप्रायस्य जननी सा तस्य रुचिरस्मितं मुखं लालयति रञ्जन् जृम्भतो ददृशे इदं खं रोदसी ज्योतिः अनीकमाशाः सूर्येन्दुवह्निस्त्वनाम्बुधींश्च द्वीपान्नगांस्तान् दुहितृर्वनानि भूतानि यानि स्थिरजङ्गमानि तावीक्ष विश्वं सहसा राजन् सञ्जातवेपतुः तावीक्ष विश्वं सहसा राजन् सञ्जातवेपतुः सम्मील्य मृगशावाक्षी नेत्रे आसीत् सुविस्मिता इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यायां संहितायां दशमस्कन्धे पूर्वार्धे तृणावर्तमोक्षो नाम सप्तमोऽध्यायः। श्रीहरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द।
Super, reading so well, beautiful. Everybody reading with so much bhava. That's how you have to enjoy Bhagavad. Rasikaha bhuvi bhavukaha. You have to read with bhava, and you have to understand Bhagavatam through the lens of affection. Bhaktya Bhagavatam Nyayam. How to understand Bhagavatam? Through affection. There are some other texts which you have to learn, which you have to understand through Vibhakti. You have to know that in this particular place, this word is Panchami Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti, all that. That is for some other texts. For this text, you have to understand Bhagavatam through the lens of affection. This particular Trinavarta, he tried his best. He could not shake that boy off because he is now no longer carrying the boy. The boy has held his neck. He has fallen down. Galagrahana nischeshta. Because the boy has pressed his neck, he is not able to do anything. And he has fallen all the way from the sky with this child. Sahabalo Nyapatat. He fell down. Antarikshat Patitam. From the sky, from such a big height, he has fallen onto the rocks. Vishirna Sarva Vayavam. All parts of his body are broken. It was broken just like long ago when Rudra shot his arrow. The Tripura, every part of that Tripura was broken. Similarly, Trinavarta's all parts of the body were broken. Puram yata Rudra Sharena Vidham. All the women came. All the women came. On the chest of this Trinavarta, huge Rakshasa, this child is playing. Krishnam cha tasya urasi lambamanav. Immediately they picked that child, so delighted that nothing has happened to the child. Child is swasti. Swastimantam. Brought the child and gave it to Nandamukhya. Labdva punah prapuhu ativa modam. As upset as she was not seeing Krishna, she is so happy now having got him back. So all the people are saying, oh my God, this Rakshasa, Balo, this child was taken away, could have been killed, but somehow, Abhyagat Punah, we got him back. See, this is what happens. People who do bad deeds, they are killed by their own bad deeds. Himsraha swapapena vihimsitaha. Whereas the people who are good are protected by their own good deeds. Sadhu samatvena bhayat vimuchyate. What a big blessing that Krishna is safe. Must be all the good deeds. What good deeds did we do to deserve this? Kim naha tapaschirnam adokshaja archanam. Maybe some big person has done good tapasya. Maybe they have done good puja and they have given this blessing to us. Purteshta dattam uta bhuta sauhridam. Purti dharma means you make, you donate to some temples, you make some water facility available for people, you do some annadana to the hungry. All those are purti dharmas. And then there is ishti dharmas. Ishti dharmas are yajna. Indra yajnam is going to come later. So they are saying, oh, must be some good dharmas were done. Purti dharma, ishti dharma were done. Therefore, this balaka, punareva, we got this balaka again. Seeing all these things, Nandagopa is remembering what all Vasudeva told him. Second Leela in this particular chapter, Trinavartha Moksham is done. Third Leela in this chapter, Adbhuta Balaka. So, 3 Leelas in this chapter. Ekada, once again, once. Arbakamadhaya, mother, small child, no? So, mother is feeding milk. Always, Vatsalya Baba, mother is feeding milk. Ankamaropya Bhamini, Swa Ankam. She has placed the child on the lap, holding its head with, supported by her hand, she is feeding it milk. Prasnutam Payayamasa. Overflowing. The milk is overflowing. Similarly, her affection for the child is overflowing. Sthanam Sneha Paripluta. Paripluta. Overflowing. This child, while it is drinking milk, once in a while, it's smiling at the mother. Ruchirasmitam. Beautiful smile. The child itself is beautiful and its smile is beautiful. Mukham lalayati. So when the child is smiling, the mother is gently caressing the child's cheeks. Mukham lalayati rajan. The moment Shukabrahmam is describing the scene, overflowing with affection, mother is feeding, and this Krishna is smiling, he is drowning in that darshana. Drowning in that darshana. Therefore, he needs this hold on the material world to come back and continue the story. So he's saying, Rajan, Mukam Lalayati Rajan. At that time, the child yawned. Small children, when they finish drinking milk from their mother, they get fully satiated and they sleep. Correct? So this child is feeling sleepy. अच्छा दूध पी ले, अभी नींद आ रहा है उसको. So he is yawning. Jrimbato. At that time, suddenly, Yashoda has seen in the mouth, the entire universe is there. Come. She's seeing all the sky. Rodisi, the space. Jyotihi, all the sun, the stars, everything. Anikamashaha, Surya, Indu, sun, moon, Vakni, all the powers of fire. Shvasana, all the powers of air. Ambudinscha, all the powers of water. Dvipane, she sees this earth. In that she sees all the continents. Nagane, she's seeing all these mountains. Tad Duhitri, Duhitri means daughter. Daughter of the mountain. Daughter of the mountain is river. Tad Duhitri, Vanani. So many forests. And in that forest, there is one Vrindavanam. And in that, close to that, there is this Gokulam. Bhutani, Yani, Sthira Jangamani. All the entities that move, all the entities that don't move. Sthira Jangama. All of them she's seeing in this child's mouth, the entire universe. Another same is going to come again later. This is the first time she's seeing Vishwarupa Darshana. Sa Viksha Vishwam Sahasa. She's shaken. Imagine some big warrior like Arjuna. He sees Vishwarupa Darshana and he says, Thane Rishikesh. Nama Purastad, Ada Prashtadasya. Some big warrior, he is like, oh, I'm doing namaskaram in front, I'm doing namaskaram in back, I'm not able to see the front, I'm not able to see the end. Oh, this tejas is too much for me. He is saying, imagine this is gentle mother. She closed her eyes immediately. Sammilya mriga shabakshi netre asid suvismita. She was so surprised. What a darshanam I am seeing. What a darshanam I am seeing. Vishwadharam Govindam. He is showing that he is the foundation. He is the support on which this entire universe exists. And we are fortunate that in this universe we could have been anywhere. We could have been in any satsanga. Or we could have been in any sangam. Luckily, we are in a good satsangam. Luckily, we are surrounded by people who are reading beautiful scriptures like Bhagavatam. Luckily, we have gurus who have taken out of their kindness and explained all the secrets and given it to us. And we are able to share that with some close friends. Big blessing indeed. One more Snapayati song, just for fun. Govinda Shatakam, song 18, Snapayati Yashoda.
Snapayati Yashoda Sundara Badam Snapayati Yashoda Gopakutila Kardama Malina Govatsapadam Kamalayanam Snapayati Yashoda Sundarabalam Snapayati Yashoda Dadhinavanita Pankilabharana Taruni Janakucha Kunkumaruna स्नापयति यशोदा सुन्दरबालं स्नापयति यशोदा कज्जलतिलक नीलिमवदनो कञ्जरभवनुत कमलचरणो स्नापयति यशोदा सुन्दरबालं स्नापयति यशोदा प्रकटितकैशोर अद्भुतलीला प्रकटितकैशोर अद्भुतलीला प्रेमिक शुभ हृदयाङ्गण लोला प्रेमिक शुभ हृदयाङ्गण लोला स्नापयति यशोदा सुन्दरबालं स्नापयति यशोदा.
Super. Fantastic. Very nice. Radhe Krishna.